Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to review a TOFUNTOY personal air cooler, evaporative air cooler. It can be used as a humidifier or a evaporative air conditioner. That's a timer. That's the air conditioner part of it, and 1 and 2 mode, depending on how much water evaporative you want, and 3 speeds. You can do 1 or 2. That's the air conditioner part of it. That's 1, 2, 'em trying to get 2 on. And there's 2. And that's a timer. Speed 2. Speed 3. And off. Thanks, everybody.
Pretty great, portable. This is the size of my hands. This is a little bit over. It might be like 21 or 22 centimeters. Actually, great option here with the light. One tap is just the light that goes and changes color, and if you tap again, it freezes the light there, which is cool. 3 levels, which is great. I put some ice on this yesterday. I haven't figured out what this is for, but I did put some ice into it, and it was super fresh in this setting, so I have it here on my desk all the time, and it was awesome. Great for this coming summer. This, by the way, works really good. I put that to sleep. I put it on 2 hours to turn off after 2 hours. Great device, honestly. I think that the next step for the company is to make this a little bit less noisy. I wish it was less noisy, and I wish it was smart, that you can ask your Google Home devices or Alexa devices to start, or to program it. I would like to have also some fresh air right after I wake up. And I don't know, maybe to turn around a little bit somehow, but I mean, that would have to like double or triple the price. So for the price that it is listed, it's just an amazing product, to be honest. It's great. I just love it.